Welcome to Math Magic Concepts. We shall do some more exercises from textbook in this session. Naseem and Abdul had to fill their pots each with water. Both pots were equally big and heavy. So they went to the tap again and again, filled their own bottles and poured water into the pots. Naseem had to fill her bottle 16 times from the tap. But Abdul had to fill his bottle only 8 times. Answer following questions. Why did Naseem go more times than Abdul?
It is given that both the pots were equally big and heavy. So let's assume they contain same quantity of water. Naseem went more times than Abdul as her water bottle was smaller, compared to Abdul.
Naseem's bottle can hold as much water as Abdul's bottle. Options are twice, half, and 3 times.
Well, we have already answered Naseem's bottle is smaller than Abdul. Also 2 times 8 is 16. So Naseem's bottle can hold half as much water as Abdul's bottle.
Excellent. Pot B holds 11 glassfuls of water. Pot A holds twice as much water as pot B. How many glasses of water are needed to fill pot A?
Since pot A is big and holds twice as much as pot B, to find out how much pot A holds, we have to do 11 plus 11. The result is 22. So pot A holds 22 glasses of water.
Fantastic. You would have noticed how we are able to do math on liquids, time, and length once we start measuring them. Here is the last exercise for this session. This is a small town near Kohama. There are some potholes in the road. Before the rains come, children want to fill the holes with pebbles. They bring pebbles in mugs of the same size. Hole A gets filled with 9 mugs of pebbles. Hole B gets filled with 18 mugs of pebbles. Hole C gets filled with 12 mugs of pebbles. Now answer the following question taking a closer look at these potholes. Mark A, B, and C on the right hole in the picture.
Hole A is the smallest as it gets filled with 9 mugs. So I mark the smallest hole as A. Largest hole is B, as it is of 18 mugs size. So I mark the largest one as B. The left out one is medium-sized hole C.
Which is the biggest pothole?
B is the biggest as 18 is larger than 12 and 9.
If jugs are used, hole A gets filled with 5 jugs. How many jugs of pebbles are needed to fill hole B?
Hole A gets filled with 9 mugs. Hole B gets filled with 18. 2 times 9 is 18. So B is twice as big as A. If A gets filled with 5 jugs, B needs 2 times 5, that is 10 jugs.
Well done. With this we have come to the end of session, where we learnt how to do math with liquid measurements.